So all of my qualitative software training is methods focused, and that's because you can't use digital tools powerfully outside of your methods context. An increasingly popular method of analysing qualitative materials right now is thematic analysis. So it's hardly surprising that my software events that focus on thematic analysis are amongst the most popular. The one I want to tell you about today uses the software program MAXQDA, which is one of the top 10 qualitative software programs available right now. Join me on Friday, the 22nd of September, to dive deep into how to harness MAXQDA's tools for a thematic analysis. For the purposes of this workshop, we're going to use the phases of reflexive thematic analysis as described by Brown and Clarke in their recent textbook as the example. But that's not the only or necessarily the best approach to thematic analysis. So we also consider other types of thematic analysis in this workshop. I'll guide you through the phases of a reflexive thematic analysis, and we focus on how to accomplish those tasks creatively and systematically using the range of flexible tools available in MAXQDA. We'll also discuss one of the hot topics of the moment, generative AI, and we'll consider what place those tools may have in an analysis. I intentionally keep these workshops nice and small so we can discuss everyone's projects and really get to grips with the MAXQDA tools in a friendly and supportive space. If you register, you'll also get an extended trial of MAXQDA, so you can join this workshop even if you haven't got a license yet, and have plenty of time to practice and embed your learning afterwards. If you've got any question about MAXQDA or this workshop, just let me know. I'm always happy to help, and hopefully I'll see some of you on the 22nd of September.